Hello guys, this is Jack here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bird trap. What you will be needing is some bird food. Maybe in the next video I'll show you how to make the bird food. A stick and like a box or something. But they could still breathe because there's like holes from the grass, because the grass will just let the air come in. So yeah, and let's get started. First thing, when you get your stick and whatever, hold on, I'm trying to focus the camera. Let's focus, but I'm trying to set the camera up. Okay, so you're gonna lift the box up, and then you're going to, once you lift the box up, you're going to set the stick right under. Hold on, I'm trying to get the camera. I do not, right here, I do not have a stand. And then there, and then you're gonna do that, and maybe the bird will come. Is it gone?
And this is Lola. And this is Lola.
Okay, so I know my siblings are kind of annoying. Okay. Say hello, Johnny.
Hello.
So once a bird comes, it'll be like, hold on. Wow! And it'll just close right up on it. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna do some more wildlife things out here. And yeah, go check out my cousin's YouTube channel, Emily Daylo, and Hockey Cooper McCarthy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment down below what you think about this video. Thanks. Bye.